Hey, what's up YouTube? By this video, I've got a Xhorse key that I've had about 4 years to my van. It's been dropped a couple times, exploded and whatever, and it started working intermittently, and then finally it just quit. I put a new battery in it, and it's not working, doesn't even light up, or you can check and see if it's even putting a signal out, and nothing here. So I'm going to go ahead and actually set up a new Xhorse remote for my van, and program and everything here. So first things first here, I'm going to pull the blade off the old one and put it on the new one. So let me get the tablet out of the way. And to do this here, to get the blade out, got handy flip key vise here. And if I can find this anywhere stateside, I'll put a link to it. If I can find it on Amazon or something, I'll put a link to this. Very handy to have to remove roll pins. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just lock the key in. And we've got our little punches here to find the one that fits. That one looks good to me. Give it a couple little taps. And roll pin should be almost all the way out here. Yeah, you can just tap it the rest of the way out. I'm just going to grab some pliers and pull it out. Alright, so there's the roll pin removed. Get the blade out of there. Shoot. And go ahead and put this away for now. Here I've got some actual pliers I'll show you here to put the pin back in. I prefer those to this as far as putting roll pins back in, but that tool makes it real easy to get them out. And we'll go ahead and get this guy opened up here. And I'm going to reuse the battery because the battery is like a day old or something. I just changed it to try to see if it was going to work, and it did not here, so just died. It's the first one I've ever had actually break on me anyway. I'll go ahead and just file 13 that, and we will go ahead and go about setting up the new one here. So this only has lock and unlock on it. It's a van. Don't need anything else. That comes off. Get the board out of here. And this is a wired one, so we're going to have to actually plug it in to do the programming on it. Get the hammer out of the way. And get our Key Tool Plus back up here. And of course you can do this with Key Tool Mini or Key Tool Max, but I'm just using this because I'm going to use it to do the OBD programming portion as well. And so to use this for remotes, you're going to hit Remote Program. And it's easy just to search for the FCC ID if you know it. And for my van, it is CW TW. Yeah, I probably searched for it a long time ago. That pulls up. Nissan all remotes is totally fine, and that's going to be a winner right there. And then as far as our board goes here, we need to go ahead and plug it into the tablet. Like so. And then we'll go ahead and just hit wire remote. Now that may not be the right one here. And let me just hit generate, see what happens. Detect remote. Okay, there we go. Just hit generate. I don't do the wired ones very often. I usually use super remotes, but I don't have a transponder, so I don't need a super remote. So now that's generated. Now we'll go ahead and tablet back out of the way here. And we can put a battery in it. Like so. And put it back into our board here. All right, little post there. It's just snap on there. Snap it closed. And there we go. Now I just need to put the flip blade in it. Do that, we're going to use roll pin pliers. Like I said, these do make it pretty easy here. Just grab a roll pin. And I'm going to go ahead and just put it in the hole like so. Get our blade. Okay, it's going to go this way like this. And we get our roll pin. In the hole here. And get it started. You can kind of feel it going a little bit. And you're just going to let it go, and then just use the pliers here to go ahead and just clamp it all the way in, and perfect. So now we will switch cameras here and head out to the van to actually do the OBD programming. All right, right in the van here, I've got the OBD port plugged in. I've got the ignition switched on, and so now we're going to go ahead and just go ahead and program the remote functions on this. So we'll go to EMO programming, Asia, and Nissan. We're going to go select from system, remote key adaptation, and I think this is type 1, but you know, if type 1 doesn't work, just try type 2, but I think this is type 1. Okay, let's see, program remotes. Okay, so let's press unlock button on the remote, so we're going to do that here. Here the turn signals kind of beep there, success, so that means it should be done. So now we'll go ahead and we'll shut the ignition off here, and we'll try this out. Let's listen for the locks. Let me unplug the scanner and try it here. Sometimes you have to do that. Alright, scanner's unplugged. There it goes. Alright, and then this actually will start it as well. Alright, so there's a Xhorse key, flip key setup for a 2020 NV 1500. That process though is the same for Nissan from like, I don't know, like 05 to now. It hasn't changed here, but it's that style key fob. So anyway, that's all we got for now on this one, guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments. Until next time, we will talk to everybody later.